welcome back to Delightful Creations. Thank you for joining me in another tutorial today. I will be showing you how to do double crochet. In my previous video I showed you how to do single crochet, and we're going to continue on that same piece so you can see the height difference between each crochet. So first, with double crochet, how it differs from single crochet is that single crochet you go into the stitch. We're not going to do that this time. We're going to yarn over, let me try that again. Yarn over, hook your yarn, and then go into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and you're only going to pull through 2 of those loops. And then there's 2 still left on the hook, 2 hoops still left on the hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through, and that completes your first double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then there's 3 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and then there's 2 left on the hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through those 2. So let's do that again. Yarn over, go through your next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn, and then you have 2 left on the hook, and then yarn over and pull through those 2. So that's all to double crocheting. It's a little different from single crochet, as you can see. It's just a couple of extra steps, but once your hands get used to the motion that they're moving in, it becomes quite simple and second nature. I strongly encourage you to learn how to do double crochet because it really helps make a project work up a lot faster. Please stay tuned to my next video where I will show you how to half double crochet. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Happy crocheting!